Hi guys, this is Hussein Al-Bayati from Al-Bayati General Trading in Dubai, and here we are with Mr. Trevor from Coiltek Australia, who manufacture all these beautiful coils for mini lab machine and
the SDC.
SDC finally.
Yeah. So there's been a new range of coils that we've created for the SDC. You can do the changeover. Hussein has already done a video.
Yeah, we have a previous video how to change the coil, so you can, I will put a link so that you can check it from my channel, how to plug in the new coil.
And we've created a new shaft,
Yeah,
which fits in, so you drop the old coil out, put the new coils on, and then we have a 10x5 size, 11-inch round, and a 14x9 size. So 3 different coils for you.
so could you please tell us what is the difference between each coil and what is the result the customer that he will expect when he put it into the SDC?
Well, we already know that the SDC is a very good machine. It's very good on the small targets, the very small bits of gold with the standard coil. What we wanted to do was create some options for the customer out there to help with sensitivity, but also give the machine some depth, because there are more nuggets that the current coil may miss down deeper, and that's where these larger coils can be better for deeper searching. So we created a 10x5, a small coil size. This coil here is very sensitive, so it'd be good for the small targets and shallow hunting, but it's also very with the elliptical shape, it's easy to maneuver, to get in between bushes and maneuver around. So it's a very good coil, this one. Then the 11-inch, being round and bigger than the standard coil, this one will be able to see the bigger targets deeper. So this one here is not looking for the real small gold, it's looking more for the bigger gold.
For bigger gold like this one,
Down deeper.
of this something,
Sort of 1 gram
something like
up to big pieces like this one.
something like this one. This one is about 20 grams, so you'll find something in the field still in there like this.
So that can maybe see this piece of gold here may be down quite deep, where the standard coil may be a little bit shallower. So this will give also more coverage. There's a lot of ground out there, so being a bit bigger, you can cover the ground a little bit better. So this would be a very good option for areas where you've already been with the standard coil. You can now go back with this coil to look a bit deeper to see if there's any other targets, gold nuggets that you may have missed with the standard coil. Then, which is one of my favorites, is this 14x9 size. The 14x9 is, as you can see, very long, so it covers the ground very well. Being elliptical with narrow, it's able to push in and around tight areas as well. So it has a very sensitive area for the nose, for the toe here and the heel. Very good patch finding. And also this one can see quite deep too, so it'll be deeper searching than the standard coil.
Yeah. Also what we see from the feedback of our customer on the GPXs and like this shape, elliptical shape and the round shape, usually the round shape will give you a better depth, okay? But the elliptical will give a depth and sensitivity to the small nuggets. So some customer will ask which one is the best coil. There is nothing called the best coil. This one is depend on what you use. I give an example always to my people. It's like, this is a fishing tool that if you put a big hook, you will catch a big fish. If you put a small one, you will catch a small fish. So now with this coil, you can change your machine, the machine which can go for deep nuggets, and one you can catch the small ones. Okay, so if even like I have people working in West Africa, Mali, Burkina Faso, Guinea, Sigiri, so I think this one, if you are looking for the gold vein, because some people they take their machine to the mine down, so they need more sensitivity. So this one will give a better response to the tiny nuggets inside the rocks. Definitely, yeah. And same what we say, that also in our market, our West Africa market, this one is the most popular, a bit like this one with the GPZ is the top selling in there. So right now you can change your machine, you can make it deeper, okay? And in the same time you can make it more sensitive to the small nuggets than the previous one.
So with the shaft attachment that we have now, it's very easy to change. So you can just put the shaft into the wings of the coil here, and then if you want another coil lock from Coiltek, then you can change between very easily. Then if you want to go back to the standard coil, the standard 8-inch coil, it's very easy to put the machine back to standard as well, so you can use the standard coil. So we've tried to make this as easy as possible for the people to use, and we know that the SDC is a very smooth, sensitive machine. We wanted to make sure that our new products and our new coils are going to complement the machine, be smooth running, handle the ground conditions very well, very solid, so it's not bump sensitive. So it's very important for us at Coiltek and at Albayati that we have a product here that the people are very happy to use and are able to find more gold. With the coils, this one is very good for sensitive small gold, very small gold, but it's also okay on the big gold too. This coil can still see big gold nuggets, but they need to be closer to the coil for the coil to see it. Whereas with the big nuggets, with this one here, you can see this a little bit deeper. So that's where this is really good. It's not for the small ones really as much as the smaller or the standard coil. So overall, these options will allow you as a prospector out there, someone detecting for the gold, to have more chance of recovering more nuggets out there. It's very important to us that you have all the opportunities that you have. So just like the GPX units that we make coils for, that Albayati supply, we provide a range of coils because we know not one coil
can do all the job.
Will do everything.
Yeah.
Different coils have different abilities. So it's very important to understand that when you're out in the field looking for gold. One coil will get a range of gold and find a range of gold. You swap to a different coil and you'll go back to that same ground and you'll be able to see a new range of gold as well and get more recovery. So it's very important.
So when you are changing your coil, it's like you are changing your machine performance. You are using totally something different. Same what you say, deep and sensitive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So Albayati is our very good partner for Coiltek. They have a very good reach across Africa. So if you have any requirements at all for a Coiltek product and you're interested in making your machines even better than what they are, contact Albayati or their partners. They'll definitely be able to help you with our products.
Thank you.
Thank you.